Trail tips.
Hey, it's Scott over here with OCD Offroad. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a nice little tip. So if you're installing the metal cloak undercloak system on your JKU and you have to adjust for the exhaust clearance, the problem is you can't run an exhaust spacer because it causes the crossover pipe to hit the skids. So what we do here to clean everything up is we'll run a single exhaust spacer on the driver's side. We remove the exhaust spacer on the passenger side, and all you have to do is simply make one minor cut right here and extend this pipe all of 4 inches. Problem solved. Get plenty of clearance. Pipe stays nice and level, doesn't hit anything.